been using these cheap brass deflators. Come from Boulder Tools, on of course on Amazon for, I don't know, $14, $15. You could pay $80 for them, and you're welcome to. All right, hey, this is Mike with All Terrain Family. We got guest star Billy Keene with us today. What's your channel called? Is it just called the Billy Keene Channel?
Yeah.
Just the Billy Keene Channel. He doesn't have a creative name, but he's never gonna forget what it is. We're at a place called Piute Creek. It's Piute Creek down there. And this is near Spanish Springs, Nevada. Spanish Springs is behind me, and then probably directly behind me is Moon Rocks. And maybe I can convince Billy to head down there after we're done. We're trying to get to Virginia Peak, which is up there. And up there is radio towers, and from the top there we should be able to see down into Pyramid Lake, way out into central Nevada, and Reno and the Sierras. And hopefully we'll have some fun exploring on the way. I got Rocket in the car, he's asleep. Kind of got a fever, so it's okay that he's resting. And but it's this beautiful canyon that was recently burned, and we're airing down, and then we're gonna head on up and see what happens when we get there. This tripod is really heavy. I can only talk to the camera like this for so long before I start to pump out. Billy's learning how many stops it takes to shoot a video for YouTube. Got there, bud? What you drinking?
It's empty.
It's horse poop up here.
Yeah.
Every second it takes me to get back is more video I have to store.